Hello and welcome to CDS Display Corner once again. Today we have a lovely square display that's been bought in as part of a project to fulfill a need of a customer. This particular one is a true square, so we have 45.1 inches here, and this is cut to 1886 pixels by 1886 pixels. So perfect square, narrow bezel. This particular one has 400 nits. There's no cover glass on this one. This will be integrated into a very specific fixture in the customer's visual display, and as you can see, it just looks fantastic. It sets it aside from a traditional 16:9 display, similar to the stretch screens, and with some lovely content, this will be fabulous. Just stock images we have here, but they'll obviously create their own bespoke video to run on the screen. With that in mind, a lot of our square customers have asked us recently about driving these square screens because of their unique aspect ratio. Sometimes your traditional media player just can't cope with running content on these screens, and you end up with videos that are either stretched or skewed, or even worse, have black borders, which nobody wants. So in collaboration with our partners, we have created this small embedded Android PC. This embedded PC has an app on it that will run video in full screen mode regardless of resolution. So what that means is, even if you have a 16:9 video or a video that's received from a content creator that isn't exactly the right aspect ratio, this media player has the power to reformat it to fit perfectly on the screen. Also, the operating system on this is Android 12, so you can, if you wish to, put your own app onto this screen and run the screen in native resolution. Another familiar question we get from customers is, I want something easy that will just update my content and play in a nice, reliable way for a prolonged period of time. So again, with this Android player, it enables you to very simply update. So I've got a very easy example here of a video, and all you need to do is just simply plug your USB stick in to the device like this. You'll see a message appear on the screen where that file will then copy across to the device, and then you simply remove the USB stick once this messaging has finished. You'll notice some of the content on this app is slightly distorted because of the resolution, but you don't need to worry about any of that because it's all automatic. So as it copies the files across, you'll see it has copied one video. We simply remove the USB stick and it now starts playing that new content. Can't get more simple than that. This is currently available on this 45.1, but it will also work on any 1920 by 1920 resolution screen as well, and it can be adapted for other resolutions as well. If you'd like any more information on the squares or on this new Android media box, please get in touch using the links below. Thank you.